एक बार माइक को फुल कर।
डन 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 डन
अभी भी नहीं आ रही।
रुक जा, अरे अरे वो लोड हो रही है, अभी पीछे है, अभी रुक जा, लेट इट गो आगे, देन सी whether it's full or not.
लकी रुक जा, एक बार माइक को फुल कर।
डन 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 हो गया, आ रही है अब।
वर्किंग वर्किंग
वर्किंग
वर्किंग
वर्किंग यस। ठीक है फिर आ जा, यहाँ पे आ जा, इसी पे
आई एम ऑन द स्ट्रीम।
आ जाओ ऑन द स्ट्रीम, आ जाओ अपने आप। तुम्हें वो बनाना है, क्या कहते हैं, मॉडरेटर बन जाओ,
वो हम कर लेंगे। ओके जा, गुड लक।
ठीक है। Hello, what's up? Hello, am I audible, guys?
Hello,
What's up? Hello, am I audible, guys?
hello,
What's up? Hello, am I audible, guys?
hello,
What's up? Hello, am I audible, guys? My plan on Bitcoin. Okay, I'm planning to short. Okay, so let's start from the daily time frame, right? Okay, yes, there we go. Shit. हेलो, ओ YouTube की मुझे ये बंद करनी पड़ेगी ना अपने फोन में आवाज।
अपने फोन में आवाज बंद कर, पहली चीज तो ये
कर रहा हूँ। बाकी ठीक है सब?
बाकी सब ठीक है। ठीक है सुन,
हाँ,
एक सेकंड
जल्दी बोल। अब मुझे स्टार्ट करनी है।
हाँ 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 स्टार्टेड है।
हम्म,
आवाज बंद कर और जो है म्यूजिक थोड़ी सी बढ़ा।
एक सेकंड।
म्यूजिक 0.09 है ना,
हाँ
0.2 कुछ कर।
एक सेकंड। म्यूजिक 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 विज म्यूजिक मीडिया फाइल।
मीडिया फाइल को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा, बस बहुत थोड़ा सा।
ओके बढ़ा दिया,
ठीक है।
बहुत थोड़ा सा, एक सेकंड, बहुत थोड़ा सा बढ़ा
हाँ
दिया।
ठीक है बस।
ठीक है, सही है।
हाँ हाँ
ओके ठीक है,
ओके गो।
बाय बाय बाय। Okay, so you asked, okay, net is a bit slow, right? Yeah, so looking at the daily chart, you can see that we are pretty bearish, as for we're making the ABC formation for the downtrend, making continuous lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. So at this point, I'm expecting a push to the downside. So I'm extremely bearish for the swing trades. And talking about scallops and day trades, yes, they can be a bit bullish, but I am bearish as of now. Yes, I am bearish. Like I would say until this level right here, right, this box right here. I am very much about some bullish reaction, some bullish planning, right? As of now, it's totally bearish. Yeah. And as for today's time frame, I'm planning shorts on Bitcoin, right? Because we are on a key level. We are on an extremely key level, all right? Extremely key level now. I would like to show you why is it a key level. Okay, let me give you some sauce here. All right, let me give you some sauce. So the sauce is that on the daily time frame, you'll see, right? You'll see that we were moving bullish, right? We were continuously making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? But then when did we start to move bearish? This happened particularly when we came here, and now the price should have continued to move up, but instead it broke the higher low, and here was a market structure shift, right? We failed to make a higher high and we broke this low. The structure was breaking, yes. It was not a super strong closing, because a super strong closing would have been like closing around here, right? But anyway, we are moving bearish. It is very much bearish now. The thing is that I use yes, it's bearish. It's exactly bearish. So I personally prefer using Fibonacci. Alright, so now I would also like to show you why I like using it. Like, so you have to pull out the fib from the swing low to the swing high. Okay, now you do see we come to the swing to the Fibonacci level, and then we have a bounce from there, right? From the 0.618 to 0.65, the golden pocket level, that's the golden zone. Now this is accurate, all right? Like you do see here that using this from the swing low to the swing high comes there, tagging into the golden pocket, and then another move up. So I use this very much, all right? These are the only three levels that I'm using. So this 0.618 and 0.65 is the golden pocket zone, the golden zone, and this is also a level, all right? You can get some reaction off 0.786 as well. So why I'm planning shorts right now? First confluence that we're bearish. Second confluence that we are officially around on the daily golden pocket, using from this swing high to that swing low. Okay, we have just recently we tapped into the golden pocket and we got some highs, some liquidity. Okay, I also use liquidity, simple as that. We took out the liquidity, and now this was a higher time frame structure. All right, now moving on to the lower time frame on the 4 hourly. Okay, the net's working pretty slow today. Oh, shoot, I think I'm gonna reload it. Okay, there we go, we're back. Okay, on the 4 only, there we go. Yeah, so this zone right here that I marked was a zone from which we have to expect the continuation of the higher time frame market structure, right? Now, what I'll do is I will apply that same method at the lower time frame. All right, I'll apply the golden pocket from here to here. You see that is the zone. Okay, not just that, we also have clear highs, clear draws on liquidity. So what we want to do now is that we simply want to wait, right? We simply want to wait for it to get swept, and then we need some bearish confluences, right? Some bearish reaction of candles. Oh shoot, we're out of light. Oh my goodness, I'm moving my legs a bit too much. Oh, we're back. Yeah, okay, yeah. So this is how we're planning our day. All right. And for long levels, yes, there are some long levels as well, because you do see that the internal structure on the 4 hourly we were in an uptrend. All right, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So you can get a move off this level, right? Now, why specifically I'm choosing this level, right? You do see that this zone right here, that's a fib level, 110%. My best confluence. If you trade in crypto, you need to use this thing. You need to use the Fibonacci 0.618 to 0.65 and 0.786. These levels, they're the best levels for trading. Okay, Fibonacci in crypto. All right. So now the long that I'm planning is simply here. Once we sweep out this low, right, we can expect a move here from on the lower time frame, right, on the 15-minute. We can expect a move here, right? So yeah, that's the plan for this week. Yes, that's the plan for this week. So we're planning shorts right here. All right, we're planning shorts right here, and we're planning longs right here. And I would honestly suggest that you can go heavier on shorts, risk less percentage on longs, because the zone we're currently in, it's pretty bearish. It's the higher time frame alignment, right? With the lower time frame, we're super bearish. Be careful with longs. That's all I want to say. But personally, what I believe right now is that we're going to take out this high once, right? And on the weekly, you'll see that this was the high, right? This was the high. So I think that we will create some choppy price action, do the normal thing that happened in the market, and then we will take this high out and then move lower. That's what I am thinking. So this is an A plus level. Okay, I'm going full force there. Just kidding. Obviously not. That's not trading. That's gambling. Okay. So yes, that's also a level, right? I'm looking off this level as well. It's an awesome level. You can short here. You can have positional swing shorts. Absolutely crazy banger level. Okay, that's the best level I'm looking at for shorts, because we also got horizontal support and resistance. You see this level actually as support around their resistance, right? So this level is good. It has a good price history. Okay, my analysis says Bitcoin is gonna go to 50K or even 50K. Okay, that's interesting. That's pretty interesting. Let's go to the new blank chart. Okay, let's go to the new blank chart. Obviously now I would like to talk on that part. Yes, that's pretty interesting, because now as traders, whoever this was, oh, Lakshidhyada 5138. Okay, this person, good analysis, very good analysis. Let me reload the trading view and let me get back to the point. Why did I say very good analysis? Okay, let's start from the weekly. Oh, it's not loading. Okay, to go to the weekly. What? That's it? Okay, we don't have the whole chart. Okay, let's do it here. All right. Let's remove everything. Let's remove everything. Let's hide everything we got. Okay, all of the juice. Oh shit. Okay. Yes. So, you said that you're assuming that Bitcoin could fall off to what? What? It could fall off to 50K or even 40K. Okay. So now see. Now as traders, you know what's our job? Our job is to play on price history. Now what I mean by saying price history, right? What's price history? What's price? Oh shit. That's what happens when you type aggressively. Yeah. Price history. Price history is simply we assume what has happened in the past. We assume that same thing might happen again. Do you understand what I mean? If not, let me tell you. Now you see right here that what was the last time when Bitcoin shifted the structure on a very high time frame, right? You see here, right? We were moving pretty bullish, right? We were making these higher highs, something, then higher high again, then higher low. But then we displaced below. And that was last time. When did we change it? Oh, we shifted the structure on 2022 in June. Okay? We shifted structure, Bitcoin shifted structure from bullish to bearish on June 22, 2022, right? So, now, let's see how much did it fall, right? Let's see how much did it fall after that. So it fell, like, this total move was off 80%. Oh no, 76%, right? It was 76% now. And after breaking the structure, how much did it fall? It fell 43%. Wow. Now just note those two things in your head. After breaking the structure, it fall off how much? Let's see. 40 something percent. Okay, easy figures. We're gonna go with easy figures. And the total fall was off how much? Let's see. This one was off 75%. Now, we will do the math here. So, we broke the structure. Now, after breaking this low, right? After shifting the structure, we fell around 40%, right? Now we're gonna see from here, what's the 40%? 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, now this is 35 here, okay? So this is the box that I'm getting. This is the box. Now you see it's around 44,000-ish. Now you know what I tried to say now. This was what? This is the zone till where I am expecting it to fall because of the price history, right? 43,000. This is the level where it should start to take support from, this zone, right? I'm expecting this zone. Now let's see total fall. The total fall was off 76%. Now let's see it again. How much is 76% fall? Okay, 76. Wow. Now you see 76% is around there. Yes. So yes, we are going to fall around 40K. Around 40K. Yes, that is the zone. Now do you understand why I also believe that yes, we will fall around here, then do some price action, forming bottoms, and then we're finally gonna shift the structure and start moving bullish, going to 400,000. Right? That's logic. That's the logic. That's the logic. And yes, most professional traders, yes, they're believing we're gonna fall to 40K and then have a pump from there, have a bull run, right? Yes. Let's get back. let's get back to today's setups. Talked a lot about the long term. We need to make some bread and butter. All right. Back to the 1 hour time frame. I want my levels back. I want my levels back. They're my bread and butter. Where were they? Who hid them? Let's get them back. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Sauce. Secret sauce. Secret sauce is here. We're longing here. We are longing here. We're longing here. Let's see. Let's see. What do you ask? What do you ask? Oh shit. My light's gone again. Oh my god. My light is playing with me. Okay. I guess. Okay, so you ask any trades currently. Interesting question. Okay, wait, we have some messages here. So how about I make you my moderator? How about I make you my moderator? Let me make you my moderator. Oh, are you moderator? Oh, you are a moderator. That's good. Yes, I'm looking to short at the weekly high. What do you think by Raghav Chanan? Okay. You're looking to short at weekly high. Wow, what do you think? That's an interesting question, but that has a very easy answer because we're in a bear run. We're in a bearish structure on the highest time frame possible. Do you understand what I mean by that? Now, when we are already bearish on the highest time frame, that means that's the best confluence to short. Plus, on top of that, you're asking me to short. You're asking me to short on a weekly high. These levels, weekly highs and weekly lows, they're super strong. Okay, you are asking that, can I short there? What's your views on that? The views are awesome. Yes, short. Go full port. Just kidding. Just kidding. That's a good level. That's a good level for shorting. Indeed, that's a good level. Alright. That is indeed a good level. That's a good level. You should short at weekly highs. Especially in the bearish structure, all-time bearish structure. You should long on weekly lows, whether it's a bearish structure or not. You can, okay? These weekly levels are very powerful. Okay, so I'll show you. 1 hourly level is this much powerful. 4 hourly level is 4 times this much powerful. Daily level is 5-6 times more powerful than the 4 hourly level. Right? Understand this thing? Understand? Now weekly level is 7 times powerful than the daily level. Okay, you see all this stuff. You see how long, thick, and fat it is. Do you see that? This is the importance of the weekly level. Okay, this is the difference. So be confident. Go full port on weekly levels. Just kidding. Just kidding. But yes, weekly levels, they're great confluences. Obviously, that's a good short. It's following our ABC pattern. Today, let's see what's happening right now. Let's see what's happening right now. Okay. Okay, we're chopping. We're chopping. I don't see something crazy happening today, alright? We're chopping really bad. But that's good, you know? You're chopping, you're creating liquidity here, accumulating, manipulate all of these sellers, tapping into the zone, and then accumulate all of these buyers. Right? Let's see. There's a long way to go. Long way to go. But as of now, I would say stay away, don't trade. Stay away now. It's a bad idea to trade right now. It's really bad. If you enter in this market, nah, you're dead as a retailer, bro. Think like an institution, right? You want to take less trades, but they should be high probability, right? Very high probability, like ultimate A triple plus 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 ultra ultimate levels. You understand what I mean? So be patient in this market. Be patient. This kind of market condition, you have to be patient. Patience is what will pay you off in this sort of a condition, right? Be patient. I'm also patient. I also want to trade, but I won't trade because there's no fucking setup, right? Let's see the 1 minute time frame. Oh, so on the 1 minute time frame, I do see that here is a resistance, right? There's a resistance, and on the 1 minute time frame, there is support, right? So we will simply short here, right? We are in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, fade lower low. Now we might test this as resistance because we bounced twice off this level. It's possible we're gonna bounce again. We can plan a short here. Just kidding, guys. These people who force you to trade on 1 minute, especially, I'm not in that game. I won't say much about that. These people who are forcing you to trade on the 1 minute or making trading excitement for you, they're gamblers. They're actual gamblers. They don't know how to trade. They don't have any idea how to trade. Any trades currently? No, no trades. No trades currently. I mean, if you want to, like, yeah, you want to enter into a scalp type of position, then yes, currently we were running, this was an opportunity, right? I see an opportunity right there, right? You might have missed it up, right? This was a setup. This was a setup right there. Alright. This was a setup. Then yeah, it gave you 1 to 4. That's good. For a scalp. That's good for a scalp. Then you had another setup, but then this was a lower probability setup because the golden pocket was already tested. Now let me tell you why was this a trade. Do you want my exact juicy strategy? Do you want? Okay. Do you want to know how to use this juicy strategy where you can make a lot of money? Just kidding. The thing is that it's profitable and it's easy. You wanna know how to use my strategy? For free? You wanna know? Anyone? Anyone wanna know? Okay. Wait for that zone. Wait for this zone. Oh, shorting. Right. Wait for it. That zone. Okay. What a boring day. We got a very boring day today. It's a very boring day. I feel boring today. I feel really boring. Yeah, really boring. Now, okay. No trades currently. Today is very boring day, right? Here was a short scalp opportunity that I just discussed. Let's be patient today, alright? Be patient, protect our capital. Let's save our capital for the right moment. Alright? What we're gonna do, we're gonna save our capital for the right moment, and we're gonna stay out of this choppy market. You understand? We're gonna stay out of this choppy market. We only gonna trade at our levels. And I don't see any volume right now, right? Any volume. I think yeah. You can go long if you want, right? You got if you want to go long, I can give you some levels for longing, like scalp levels. Okay, let me give you the scalping level. Let's have some of it. Okay, alright, we have 0.786, we have a 1 hourly low combining in there. Okay, so okay. There's a scalp long level as well if you want a long, right? Here's a scalp long level. You can long here. You can long on this level, on this particular zone. You can go in for a scalp here. I'm not longing here, alright? I'm waiting for my juicy longs and juicy short levels. But you can long here. It's a good setup. Yes, you can long here. You can long here. Simple as that. You can long here. Right? You can long here. It's perfectly fine. Any attacks? Okay, what's attacks? What is attacks? Please tell me what's attacks. I'm super confused. Please tell me what's attacks. I don't know what's attacks. I have no clue what's attacks. Please tell me what's attacks. Today's a boring day indeed. It is a boring day. Indeed it is. What is attacks? Can you tell me what's attacks? I don't understand what you mean by attacks. Stocks recommendation. Stocks recommendation. Indian stocks. I'm an Indian. My accent is not Indian, but I'm Indian. I live in India. So you're asking me stocks recommendation. Okay, let's have some stocks. So basically, you're asking me somewhere you want to invest, right? I don't trade stocks. I invest in stocks. Yes, they're very good for investing. They're very good for positional trading. But I don't invest in stocks. Not at all. Oh, sorry. I don't trade in stocks. Not at all. Yes. Let's go. Um, talking about stocks. Okay, you want to invest in stocks? Let's have some juicy research on Oil India, right? Oil India. Oh my goodness, what's happening here? Ranging on a 4 hourly since a long time, bro. It's bad. It's really bad. We're generating liquidity. Okay. Um, I would highly suggest you that you see that. Let me show it to you. You see that on Oil India, right? On the weekly time frame, we're bullish. We have some negative news. We have a lot of negativity in the market, geopolitical negativity. I'm expecting a fall in some time. Okay, I am expecting a fall. So I think the oil is too volatile these days. It's too volatile, right? So what I do see is two levels for investing in Oil India, right? Let's refine those levels. Let's see. Let's have some refinement in Oil India, right? Okay, we have a zone there, right? There we go. There's a zone. Okay, there is a zone. We have some support, resistance. We have some price history on that level. Some really good price history. That's a level. We'll refine it further right now. I'll refine it now. Okay, so now this is also a level. Okay, this is not a long-term level, but yes, this is a level. Now let me refine it, going on to the weekly time frame. Okay, we have weekly lows right here. All right, we have weekly lows. I think that you can invest here in Oil India on this zone, right? I'll give you specific price levels. I'll be precise with them. This is where you start looking for entry, right? On 439.40. Then this is the level where you start. Like this is the level. Like if it makes a price action, right? Like this, that could be a good sign. This could be a good entry right here, right? This is not a level for trading. It is for having positioned in Oil India, right? What about I give you an exact plan how you make money from Oil India? How about I give you an exact plan so that you can print money from here, right? Okay, so this is one level, right? And I see this as the next level. Now let's break it down. So this is a clear low. Obviously we have to consider this here, and this is the second low, right? Here also, right, you can long here as well. Okay, let me give you a plan, a strategic approach of how you can invest in here, right, and make some money. Let's watch what's happening in Bitcoin and I'll get back to it. Okay, on the 15. We're still ranging. Let's wait for the breakout. We'll enter into shorts here, like juicy shorts. Okay, let's get back to the analysis. Let's get back to your plan of you asking how do you make money from Oil India, right? Going back to the weekly. I do see these two levels are as crazy levels, alright? I do see them. Right? Now, what I will suggest you, whatever is your trading capital, that's good. Great, I am also adding a long position. Okay, that's good. That's really good. You're adding a long position now. Let me give you a plan how you can make money from it. I'll give you an exact plan, right? Okay, so these all zones I've marked here in Oil India, right? These are good zones for buying Oil India. They're really good. So, for an instance, imagining you have $100, all right? You have $100 for investing, right? You have $100 for investing. Now, let's take 30% of that. 30%, that's $30, all right? Now, I would like you to put 7% of $100 here of your investing account. Oh shoot, it's not working. You can put 7% right here, right? 7%. Then you can put on this, like if it falls below. Now listen. When you long here, if it goes up from here, that's good. You have your profit targets, you take it out. But if it does not go up, it goes against you, right? Then put more 10% here more, right? Put 10%. 10%. There you go. Now if it comes back to this level, okay, this is a great level. Why? That's monthly low. That's 3 monthly low. That's 6 monthly low. And obviously that's an yearly low. Now, why am I checking these higher time frames? Because the higher the time frame, the better the level. Okay? The better the level. So, what I will highly suggest you, put some money here. Put some money out of your bag here. 7% of your investing capital. Then 10% if it comes here. And then, if it comes here, bro, this is a crazy level. This level right here, it's a crazy level. If it comes here, I suggest you put 15%. Yes, obviously not going full port. Not going full port. That's the best thing, okay? Don't go full port. But you wanna invest, this is the exact plan that you can follow, alright? This is the exact plan you can follow. Like, just take a screenshot of this. Whatever you want. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. You can use this plan, alright? You can use this plan. Oh, it is such a boring day. It is a very boring day. Oh. Wow, I can fix my biceps. Look good. So you can take the screenshot of this, right? You can put money. What's good yet? Okay, everything's good. Everything's good. Everything's good, okay? Yeah, right? Like getting back to Bitcoin. What is it doing? Is it there on any of our levels? Is it there? Okay, we're having a push to the upside. We're waiting for it to come into our zone of shorting, alright? 0.78%. These are the trades we're looking after. Okay, so you want some other analysis, right? Do you want gold analysis? You want silver analysis? Want other things? You want long-term analysis in silver and gold? You want trades in silver and gold? People trade gold. People scalp gold. You want some trades here? I'll show it to you. Okay. Silver. You want for silver, right? Silver. Silver is good. I like silver. But it gets dangerous at times. At times it gets dangerous. It's too volatile for beginners. Not for me. Not a beginner anymore. I don't want to double my capital in a single day. So for silver, first let's have the long-term analysis. Or first let's have the scalping analysis for silver. Okay. See daily, right? Moving up. Okay, I usually this has the daily low. Okay, this is a good level. Acts as resistance. So swing low, swing high. There we go. Nah, very far from it. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, we are opening in, right? Do you see this here? Okay, this can play out. Okay. Shoot, FRVP does not work here. Okay, that's fine. I would say you can long silver if you want. I'm giving you a zone. You can long silver right here. The zone I'm giving you right now. You can long it here. If you're moving bullish in silver, that silver is taking out this low, then you're longing. Now, if this position got stopped out, you're looking for the next long. Don't long it from here. Wait for it to take out this low, right? Take out the liquidity and then go long. So this is the short-term trading opportunity that I see in silver. Okay, that's what I see in silver. Now, telling for the long term and mid-term. On the daily, shoot, bad price action. Shoot, that was about to be bearish. Okay, it was about to be bearish. Yes, it does not look good if you want to say that, oh, we're gonna pump up, go to the moon from here. Obviously not. But it's not even super bearish. Like, it's like now I'll say it can either go up or it's gonna go down, and that's funny, right? That's funny that, yeah, obviously you'll be like, obviously it either goes up or it goes down. It doesn't go inside me, right? The thing is that it's indecisive. I would say it's indecisive. Higher time frame has been choppy, right? But yes, I would say yes, you can put your money into silver. I have some levels for it. Let me take him out. We have the discounted zone here. Okay, this whole zone, it's a discount zone. I would suggest you that you can put your money in silver, right? You can put your money in silver firstly around this low. If silver takes out this low, to the weekly low, we have some supports there. Okay, let's see the monthly low. Wow, perfect. I would say if we come back here, this is the exact zone, right? And we have some like 3 months. Okay, that's a 3 monthly lows. Shoot, that's there. It's pretty far. Okay, so the thing with silver is enter into a position here. All right, you can enter into position. Try to enter 2 to 3 positions inside this box. Make sure it's not highly leveraged. 2x is still fine. 2x is still fine. You can have 2x leverage and long silver inside of this box. But then if it starts to close below this box on higher time frames, this is the next level I'm looking for it to have support from. This is the exact next level. Alright. This is the exact level. Now it's fine. Getting back to Bitcoin. pretty tiring day, pretty boring day. Let's see back what's happening with Bitcoin. We're ranging really bad, ranging really bad. Okay, it's ranging really bad. Even long here, I do see that we're gonna take out this range. It could be a good squeeze move, good squeeze move. All right. So you can just use it up. This is the volume area. That's a discount zone. Okay, as a discount zone. If it sweeps here, right? It sweeps this low and like inside this box. If it doesn't lose this box, if it doesn't lose this box, it stays inside. It moves inside. You can think of longing here, right? You can think of longing here, right? This is a setup, yes. This is a setup as well. This is a setup. I personally don't trade at these levels, but you know, some people they like scalping. I would say yes. This scalping is also profitable on this strategy. The strategy that I'm currently using is that's profitable for scalping as well. Right? I don't scalp on these. These are like local levels. You know what's local levels? Local levels are basically levels which are specifically made to trap retailers like us. Because they're not high accuracy, okay? Smart money is not entering there. And as retail traders, we want to enter somewhere where the smart money is entering. Because who moves the price? The smart money. We're gonna avoid the levels where the retail traders are entering, and we wanna get in the levels where smart money is entering. So we wanna think like the smart money. And how are we going to think like that? We're gonna find the most accurate levels, like I've given you. Like these levels. This level is highly accurate level. Okay, you can long here. You can definitely long here. Oh, I mean short here, right? You can definitely long here. These levels are crazy. Now just wait for the price, right? Just wait for the price. I'm gonna short it today. I'm gonna short 1%. I'm gonna risk 1% in there. Right. Oh my god, it's boring. This day is very boring. Oh, shoot. 30 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. 30 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Let's increase the sound of music. Let's increase the sound of music. I'm feeling a bit bored. I'm feeling a bit bored. Yes. How about 0.013? 0.13. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Girl loves you, of course. Never tried a drug in my life.
And is that because you're scared of it because you have an addictive personality, or like is it because
If I try cocaine and I don't like it, I'll regret trying it. If I try cocaine and I do like it, I'll start doing cocaine and I'll regret trying it.
damn,
So why?
my man reflected on that.
So why do cocaine? Never try. When I say that I don't trust female pilots, listen, women are amazing creatures and they're very good at certain things in the world. Full-grown man. He looked normal. He looked like a normal dude. And we're going through the menu, and he sits.
So Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate.
Listen, women are amazing creatures and they're very good at certain things in the world.
Andrew Tate says that if you do drug and you like it, then you're gonna get addicted to it and then you're gonna regret. And if you don't like it, you're still gonna regret trying it, getting wasted. This man makes sense. Andrew Tate makes real sense, guys. He's logical, man. He's a very logical man. Let's see more about Andrew Tate. Because I'm getting super bored waiting for these levels, right? Okay. Let's see what Andrew Tate got for us.
Full-grown man. He looked normal. He looked like a normal dude. And we're going through the menu, and he sits there, and he says, I think I'll try the sushi. What kind of full-grown adult deliberately, not on accident, deliberately eats sushi? You go on a date with a chick. Oh, the sushi, please. Get the little chopsticks out.
What if that guy is Asian? You mean he can't even have sushi? Okay, he's funny at times. He said that a full-grown man has ordered sushi and it's wrong. Bro, what if he's Asian? What if he consumes sushi in his every meal?
Date with a chick.
Do you love your family more than you love yourself?
Absolutely. I love everyone more than myself. I love my children more than I love myself. I would die for my brother. I would die for my mother. In fact, my entire life is putting people above me, putting other people's happiness above me. I believe that's what men do. When you're a man, you're responsible for other people's physical and emotional happiness. I wake up every day at work so that other people can enjoy the fruits of my labor. That's all I do. Every single person I love, in many ways, I love more than I love myself.
Do you love your family more than you love yourself?
Absolutely. I love everyone more than myself. I love my
This man makes sense. Then again, this man does make sense. Why is it ranging? Okay, we have to be careful with the shorts, okay? It's about to come at our shorting key level. We have to be careful with that because it's ranging. It can just fool us up. And it can go even above. Yes, Andrew Tate. Yes, he's Andrew Tate. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes, he's the original gangster, man. He was the one, Andrew Tate, yeah. Andrew Tate's crazy, bro. He's a good guy. Like, I mean, sometimes he says shit about religion and all that, but you know, the things he say, most of them are good. It's fine, you know. We also abuse. We're also racist. We all are racist. We all are a bit racist, right? At some point of time, especially while playing games. We're super racist. What about that? Can't tell Andrew Tate that you're bad or seeing bad on religion because we ourselves do it sometimes, right? Okay, what's going on with Bitcoin now? Still ranging. Still ranging. Boring. Yeah, Mondays, you know, generally they are ranging. Oh yeah, stay cautious on Monday. Basically it accumulates on Monday, manipulates on Tuesday, distributes on Wednesday is good. Wednesday and Thursday, they're very good days for trading Bitcoin. Wednesday and Thursdays, they're really very good. I think scalpers make money on Monday. Like people who are genuinely trading on 1 minute time frame, they're making money there. Let's see what Andrew Tate got for us. While we're waiting for Bitcoin, let's have some fun with Andrew Tate.
So would you be with?
If I have a girlfriend and I like her very much and we're together, and I say, we're together now, you don't need Instagram. You know what she says? Boom, and deletes it. I don't have to force her. I don't have to tell her. I just say it. And she's like, yeah, because she respects me and she knows I'm worth more than any Instagram page. If you say your chick delete Insta, she's like, well, I want my Instagram. If I have a girlfriend and I like her very much.
He's funny, but he makes sense. He makes sense.
And we're together.
Do you love your family?
I don't want to be a misogynist. I wake up every day, I try not to be. And then a woman talks or drives, and I'm like, for fuck's sake, here I am, back at square one. I don't want to be a misogynist. Let's go.
One drunk man is more intelligent than 3 women with PhDs.
Let's go.
One drunk man is more intelligent than 3 women with PhDs.
That's how I pass my time. He's banger, bro. Andrew Tate, he's banger. Actually. Yo, no one on the live chat. Super boring. Any questions? Any questions, anyone? Anyone, any questions? Any questions? Anyone? Just analyze Bitcoin and silver. Then for our Indian friends, gave a fully fledged plan, investment plan for Oil India. Anything else? Any other question? Any other question? Anyone? Anyone? Because I'm getting super bored. I feel like closing the stream. Unfortunately, I don't. Because we are going to have a trade in some time. It's around our level. It's around our level. Right? It's around our level. I'm waiting for it patiently. Because the market does not pay you to trade. It pays you to be patient. It pays you to wait. Right? I hope I'm right. Yeah. So let's see. A few more reels. Okay. I went somewhere. Please analyze silver again. Okay. That's bad. But I'll do it. It's easy. So I'd like to tell you the so let's see what we got for trades. What we got for trades. The day trades or scalps, whatever you want to call. On the 4-hourly, right? Wait. First on the daily, I would like to show you that we have a daily low right here, right? We have a daily low right here, right? This is an important low. Actual support. Now, going on to the hourly, yes, and we were moving pretty bullish. So I would suggest, right? This is a swing low. I do see you can plan too long here. Okay, this is a day trading plan for silver. That first wait for it to sweep here. Now that is where you plan your first entry, just in case you get stopped out, right? It goes against you. Now you have to wait for it to sweep this low, like this, the low of this box. You have to wait for this to get swept and then enter into your second position for long. This is silver's short-term analysis for those day trades. I would prefer right now you can go for longs for a few more days or a week or so, or 1 or 2 weeks. For the long-term analysis for silver, you know what? It's not a good price action on the hard time frame, right? It's not. It will either go up or it'll go down. Now you'll be like, bro, are you crazy? Yeah, it might sound crazy, but what I mean by saying that it could either go up or it could go down, this means no confirmation yet. No confirmation yet. So obviously in the long run it has to go up because of geopolitical reasons, innovations, other reasons. It has to go up in the long run, obviously, but I would like you to put your money in this box. I want you to put your money in this box, right? Put some money in this box, alright? Put it one time, maybe it goes lower, then second time. But if on the hard time frame, it starts to close below this low, then this is the next level. Don't even think of longing it before here. And you can take another long position here, right? Put some of your money inside of that box, and yes, put some money, right? So that you have the money to put back if it goes here, so that you want to average things out, right? You want to play smart, not dumb like retail trader, 100x leverage, full port, getting on the roads, getting on the streets, getting kicked out of your house. We don't want to be like those retail traders. Be smart, okay? Yeah, this is a good box. Now, why is this box good? It is a good low. It is a 3 monthly low, bro. It's a very high support. Plus, yeah. And then this level is crazy, okay? This level is crazy. You got resistance, which will then act as support. Alright? Yeah. That's the part, right? So that's the plan for silver long term and short term both. Now going back to Bitcoin, right? You want some other analysis? I'm getting bored patiently waiting for Bitcoin. Let's see. I haven't checked the. Thanks, bro, for the analysis. No problem, man. Got you. Okay, so let's see what are we doing with the fixed range volume profile. Let's see the volume. We have to move lower, right? Because we're in the premium zone and we're moving all-time bearish. All-time bearish, I mean bearish on a very high time frame. And we're in the premium zone above the value area high. This means anywhere above this zone, this line, you're in the premium zone. It means we have to sell. So be bearish, only go for shorts. If you're longing, put less money on the table, right? Put less money if you're longing, because we are very much bearish and I just explained. You can go back. I explained everything about Bitcoin. The short-term plan, the mid-term plan, the long-term plan, everything. Okay. Oh, I do see that Bitcoin is not a lot far from the scalp long level. Right? You can look for scalps around this zone. You can look for scalps. You see the daily. The daily low is there. You can go there, right? Any other analysis? Anyone? Any other analysis? You want me to analyze something else? I'm bored, if you know. I'm very much bored. Want some? Okay, someone has subscribed us. No, wait, no, what? Not someone has subscribed us. Yes, someone has subscribed us. Who is it? Who has subscribed us? I don't know. Someone has subscribed us. Any advice for people who trade also prefer to trade on weekends? Any advice for people who trade and also prefer to trade on weekends? Okay. Interesting but easy question. I mean, question with an easy answer. So, I just explained to you that we have to trade on the levels which are institutional, where the big money are entering now. Which are the big money? What do I mean with big players? The meaning of big players, right? The meaning of big players, they're the banks. Easy example, banks, presidents, like Donald Trump or Bella Ciao, 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 right? These people on weekends, they're sleeping. Okay, banks are closed, banks have holidays. These people are sleeping. They're not putting money on weekend. So why do you want to enter somewhere where there is no smart money? Because who moves the price? Who makes Bitcoin go up or Bitcoin go down? Big people, and they're sleeping on weekends. So this simply means you want to stay away from Bitcoin or any other asset on the weekends, alright? Yes, on weekends sometimes you might see volume, but initially in beginning, nah, stay away. Heavily suggesting you stay away from Bitcoin or any other asset or Forex on weekends. I don't know, right? Weekends, it's the worst time. There's no volume. You're gonna get chopped up. It might be looking like it's your setup, it's your strategy, but there's no volume, and eventually it's gonna hit your stop loss. And on weekday, it's gonna give the move. Avoid trading on weekends. No volume, no trade. Right? No volume, no trade. Guys, you wanna have some water? You wanna have some water, anyone? Oh my god.
So,
Okay. Any other question, anyone? Thanks for the advice. No problem. No problem. It's perfectly fine. Oh, Crypto Face is live. Wow. Crypto Face
Oh
is
man,
live.
hopefully this yellow can hold, man. Sometimes these yellows can fend it off. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the yellows can fight it off. Come on, baby. Come on.
Nice. Crypto Face is live. He's a good trader. I'm better. I'm the best. Just kidding. He's really good.
What makes it hang out?
Any other question? I have to go right now. We'll join on the next live stream. That's perfectly fine, bro. That's perfectly fine. I'm just getting super bored. Any other questions? Anyone? Any questions, guys? Any other questions? Anyone? Any question, anyone? Okay, it's about to come to our scalp long level. Bitcoin. It's coming on a scalp long level, right? Right. It's coming on a scalp long level. Be ready. Zoom into the 15-minute. You can long here. Long here, right? Anyone? Any questions? Any analysis? Anything you need? Anyone? No questions, I guess. It's perfectly fine. Any predictions for the price of Bitcoin for long term? Okay, I explained all of this. I wish you were there, mate. But I'll explain it again. It's perfectly fine. Let me remove all of the bullshit. Or maybe not. I'll explain you quickly. See, if you want the detailed explanation of the logics, obviously you can go back. I had a very big discussion on that. But yeah, I'm telling you levels where you should look for longing Bitcoin. Right? I'll tell you in the discount. Yo. Okay? You see it? I'm not doing prediction, I'm telling you what's logical. Right? So, you see I've marked 3 lines. I've marked 3 lines. Right? I don't want to talk about logic yet. I've talked about it already in the past. I've drawn 3 lines. Right? These are the places, these are the price levels where you have to look for possible increase. Because most probably, this is the level where it's going to bounce back up from. These 3 levels for the long term, like, and you asked for prediction. So what I'm expecting, according to the price history, we come back up here again, right? Like we did here. Like we did, how much move was it? It was almost a 10x. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do the same thing. Wow. There you go. We're gonna do the same thing again. Then enter here, get out around here. And this is purely based on price history. It means it's logical information, no BS. Now, if you want the exact explanation, the logical explanation, obviously you can go back into the video, right? I explained everything. Someone else as well asked me that same question, right? I've answered to him. Let's go. Oh shoot. Relate. We need to reload trading view. Oh my goodness. We're back. Okay, so where are the levels? There they are. Oh, it's about to tag into the level, guys. Whoever's watching, be careful. I'm not longing, but you can. That's a good level, right? It's a good scalp level. I'm not that much interested in longing right now because we're moving bearish. We're aligning the higher time frame, the higher time frame and the lower time frame structure. But yes, you can long right here. Okay, be careful. This is the exact level, right? Be careful. Wait. Be patient. Be patient. This was a low, right? Wait for it to get swept. Right. Wait for it to get swept, and then enter on the confirmation. Wait for it to get swept. Be patient. And yes, if you risk 1% of your portfolio on one trade, then risk half. Why? Because I've already told you that we're moving bearish on both the higher time frame and we are shifting to bearish on the lower time frame, and on the medium time frame we are also bearish. Be careful, right? Be careful with longs, risk less on longs, right? Wait for this low to get swept, and then you can enter into longs after some bullish reaction of this low. Be patient, don't FOMO, right? I'm planning a long, where here, I'm planning long, right? You see where the volume of the zone now. I want to see the range. Okay. So particularly these both levels, they both are very good for scalper. These levels are very ultimate levels for scalping. Okay. If you risk 1% per trade, risk half here, right? Because this level is even better. That's not the main thing. The main thing is that on the higher time frame, you're moving bearish, and on the lower time frame also, you're starting to move bearish, right? You're starting to shift the structure. The mega internal structure has already shifted to bearish. Be careful with longs. Be careful with longs. Risk less on longs. Risk very less on longs. Okay. Risk very less on longs, right? Any questions? Any other questions? We did the prediction for silver, for gold, for Bitcoin. Any other questions? Anyone? It's boring to wait for it. I also feel sleepy indeed. I feel sleepy. Oh my goodness. I feel like working out on the stream. I'm live for, I think, a bit more time. I can come back live again today. That's not an issue. That's not an issue. Any other question, anyone? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Be right back. Till that time, if anyone else has any question. Yo, what's up? I'm back. Yes, yes, I'm back. I'm officially back to the business. Any other question, anyone? Any questions to anyone? Any question, anyone? Yo, any question? Anyone? Any question? Wow. Wow. Really good. Okay, wow. You mind uploading the live on the Discord? That's great. Okay. Oh, you already uploaded it. Oh, that's great. That's great. All right. See you. Oh, it was protein. It was my muscles. I was fueling my muscles. Yes. Right. Right. Oh my God, someone's at home. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Be right back. Type in your questions until then. Till the time I'm back, type in your questions. Everyone, type in your question. Oh shoot. Let's go. Oh my God. Yes, be right back. Type in your questions.
Hate me, tell me how you hate me, tell me how I'm trashing you.
I'm certainly back. Oh, we had a bounce back right off that level. We had a bounce back right off that level. Oh shoot, it just did not sweep it off. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's a good move, by the way. But anyway. It could have been captured, that was too risky. Good. Really good. Anyone, any question? Any question? Anyone? Any question? Anyone? Any analysis? You're done with Bitcoin long-term, short-term, scalping, day trading, gold, silver, long-term, short-term, stocks investment. Any other question? On anyone's mind? Anybody's mind? Anyone? Any question, guys? Any questions, guys? Any other questions? Because till the time we're waiting for the price to come onto our level, why don't we do something productive? Any questions? Anyone? Any other questions? Anybody? I'm bored. I'm super bored. Okay, no questions, I suppose. Yeah, no questions. Okay, we're getting some volume up there. Right? I'm very much interested in a short there. Very much interested. I think I'll be live till 11. No, I think I'll go take 1 hour off and then come back live. I'll come back at 10 or 11. I don't know. Guys, do you have any other questions? Oh. Oh, it's time to upload the video. It's time for me to upload a video. Where it goes to thumbnail YouTube. Where's the Any other questions? Any other questions? I'm waiting for questions because today is very boring. Today is surprisingly boring. Oh shoot. Okay, so the video is out. How he changed. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone? Any questions? Okay, there is no one. Let's wait. I have to go. See you in the next live stream. Alright. Peace out. Peace out. I see 2 people on live. Any question, guys, till we're waiting for the prize to come onto our level? Any questions to learn? Any analysis? Any geopolitical tension related question? Any question? Anyone? Frankly asking. Super frank. Okay, any question, anybody? Anybody till the time we were waiting? Anyone got any questions till then? Yeah? Any questions? Any analysis? Any asset? Hmm. Any question? Anyone? Any question? Anyone? Anybody wants me to analyze something else? We're done with silver, we're done with gold, we're done with many things. Anyone wants me to analyze something else next? Till the time we're waiting for the price to hit our level for that juicy short. Any other assets analysis? Anyone else? Anyone? It's pretty boring today, isn't it? Mondays are spent usually ranging. That's why probably. Guys, let me know if anyone has any question till the time we're waiting for the prize to hit on to our level. Alright. Alright. And the new video's out. Okay. The new video's out. Okay, setting the camera back in there. Yeah, that's fine. Right. Anyone, any question? So should I analyze something else? Whoever is watching, should I analyze something else? Till the time we're waiting for Bitcoin? Should I? Feel free to ask questions, guys. Feel free to ask questions. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Lord, there are levels to walk. This was one level which apparently the price did not sweep. Went up from there. We wanted to wait for the sweep and then the move upside. And then here's also another level for longing. You can risk heavy. If you risk 1%, you can risk 2 or 1.5 on this level. It's a good level, I like it. I'm gonna risk normal. I'm gonna risk 1% here. Anything else? Anyone?
Thanks for being here, buddy. Thanks for being part. We haven't done a little fun game in a long time. Send the address, bro. I messaged you on Twitter, bro. You pay this dude. I'll get you guys paid here. Actually, I want to send it.
Crypto face is getting bored. Just like me. Nice. Oh, okay. I'm sleepy. I'm very sleepy today. I'm planning to close the guys for today. I'll be back again today, I guess. Till then,